Hey, good morning, y'all. It is Friday. I'm sure you're all excited it's Friday. I am. And we are ready for lesson number 9. Have your pencils ready. 1, 2, speed drill number 9. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, y'all. Speed drill 9, first row. 3, 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 8, 4. Second row. 6, 9, 7, 6, 2, 5, 7, 7. Third row. 2, 9, 6, 0. 2, 4, 5, 5. Fourth row. 5, 6, 4, 6. 9, 9, 4, 3. Fifth row, 4, 4, 7, 1, 6, 3, 8, 9. All right, quietly turn back to lesson 9. Before we jump in, notice on page 33, 4, 5, and 6, you will be using you'll be changing the Roman numerals to digits. It says use the chart on page 28 if needed, so just turn back. Also, on the bottom of page 33, go to 13A, B, and C. I'm gonna erase you. All right, go. Start working it out. All right, I'm done. If you are not done, pause the video and finish. All right, so I want to go over most of these. Check to see if your answers are right. If your answers are right, you can just ignore me for the next couple seconds. I wanted to go over these because some of y'all are consistently getting them wrong. So if we have 28 foot, 28 inches, you need to ask how many 12s can you get out of 28? How many 12s? So you can get 2 12s out of 28. You can get 2 feet out of 28. So you're going to add the 2 foot to 28 feet right underneath here. And you're going to subtract 24 from here. Because 12 plus 12 is 24. Our answer must be less than 12 inches. So we divide, what we're doing, we're dividing 28 inches by 12. 12 goes into 28 2 times. And there are 4 inches left over. This is what you're going to do. I guess I won't even have to show this. What you would do, you would do equals, so you divide 28 divided by 12. 12 goes into 28 2 times. So we're going to add 2 feet to 28 feet. So it will be 30 feet. And how many inches are left over? 4 inches. Okay? Your answer should match this. Let me make sure I'm right. Yes. So whenever it's a big number, divide by 12. Because that will tell us how many inches are left over. Your answer should match this. Alright, 11 foot 2 inches. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you couldn't subtract, you'd have to add 12 inches to here. Then borrow 1 foot from there, but you didn't have to because the inches was bigger on top, which is awesome. Right here, 13 inches was too big, so we just subtracted 12, and we added the 1 foot. I had this wrong because I forgot to carry the 1 up here. So make sure all these inches are correct. Okay? I want to start seeing them being correct, and I'm here for you, especially for these. These can be a little bit hard, and I think I might have explained it a little bit confusing, in a confusing way. So I'll be glad to help you with those. All right, let's jump in. Page 32, lesson 9. We're rounding decimals to estimate. What does estimate mean? Estimate means to come up with a close answer by rounding. So let's say we have 7.6, and we're going to estimate it to the nearest. If we have 7.6, we're going to estimate to the nearest ones place. It would be 8. Because 6 is greater than 5, we're going to round it to 7 to an 8. So 8 is a good estimate for 7.6. Read the story problem. Actually, I can read it, but follow along. Number 1, on page 32. It is 7.9 kilometers from AS to Kandrian if you go around by the road. If Bob takes a shortcut through the jungle, it is only 2.3 kilometers. Estimate the difference between the two distances. Okay, identify your information. Go. Alright, you should have circled 7.9 kilometers, 2.3 kilometers, and underlined estimate the difference between the two distances. This is also your key word. Estimate, which means to round, okay? If it says to estimate, you first need to estimate your two numbers. 7.9, round it to the nearest ones place, or to the nearest whole number. 9 is greater than 5, so it rounds to 8. So it is 8 kilometers from AS to Kandrian. Do this right beside the problem. Or I guess you can do it in your head also. And 2.3. What is 2.3 rounded to the nearest whole number? It'd be 2, because 3 is less than 5, so 2 stays the same. Another clue word in the answer that you're trying to find, estimate the difference between the two distances. What would we do? How do you find the difference between these two numbers? You subtract. So you can do it in your head. 8 take away 2 is what? The difference between the two distances is 6 kilometers. And that is an estimate. You could have subtracted 7.9, take away 2.3. But they asked you to estimate. So first we round to the nearest whole number and then do whatever they tell you to do. Number 2. One pineapple weighed 1.3 pounds. The other weighed 2.9 pounds. Estimate the total weight of the pineapples. The total weight. Identify your information. It's still very important to identify your information. Clue word is estimate. Round 1.3 to the nearest whole number. 1. 3 is less than 5, you keep it 1. Round 2.9 to the nearest whole number. 3. So we rounded them. So now we're going to go to our third step. First step, second step, what's our third step? Estimate the total weight of the pineapples. First pineapple, second pineapple. What is the total weight? 4. 4 pounds. That is the total weight of the 2 pineapples. So word problems are beautiful things because you identify information, you go step by step until you find your right answer. Don't skip your steps. Number 3, each pitcher holds 2.5 liters of mango juice. About how many mango juice is in 3 pitchers? Ooh, there's a lot of clue words in here. Identify your information. Should be 2.5 liters. Then about how much mango juice is in 3 pitchers. You should also circle each. Clue word is also each, because each pitcher holds 2.5 liters of mango juice. Also, sometimes it might not say estimate. Sometimes it says about how much mango juice is in 3 pitchers. So you need to round 2.5 to the nearest whole number, which is what? 3. Because 5 are above, you round it. Each pitcher holds 3 liters. What would you do to figure this out? Look at the question they're asking you now. About how much mango juice is in 3 pitchers. 3 is already a whole number, you do not have to round it. Each pitcher holds how much? Each pitcher holds 3. And there are 3 pitchers. What would you do? Carrie, you would probably do 3 plus 3 plus 3. The correct way, actually this way works too. If you just add 3 plus 3 plus 3. But the way that works really well is you multiply 3 times 3. Because 1 pitcher holds 3 and there's 3 pitchers. So your answer is what? 9 what? What's your label? 9 liters. 3 pitchers holds 9 liters. Alright, turn to page 36. Do the new section right now, because I thought you might forget this because it's kind of by itself on this page. So the instructions are round to the nearest whole dollar, and multiply to estimate the cost. Okay, so it tells you exactly what to do. So it says solve mentally, which is fun. So I want you to, if you can, if you want to do it on paper, that's no problem, okay? But if you want to do it in your head, do everything in your head. 3 heads of lettuce at $1.95 each. 3 heads, it does not need to be rounded. Round $1.95 to the nearest whole dollar. Okay? I'm doing it on the board so you can see what you should do in your head. This is greater than 50 cents, or like I guess you could do it this way. 9 is greater than 5, or 5 or greater, so 1 changes to what? 2, and these change to 0, so this equals $2. 3 heads of lettuce at $2 each. $2 each. That's a clue word, each. What would be your answer? 3 heads of lettuce at $2 each. What's your answer? How much money is it? All of your answers will be money, so you need a dollar symbol. Okay. Do the rest by yourself. Make sure you round the dollars and then solve for the problem. Make sure you remember your label, your dollar symbol. Alright, y'all, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we have language yet. So, yeah. But hopefully you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in a little bit for language.